Hello everyone. If you are using Exness for trading, connecting it to TradingView can give you a powerful charting tools and market insights. So here is a step-by-step guide to make the connection seamless. Let's dive in. First, log into your Exness account, go to your account settings and enable API access. You will need this API key to connect your account with TradingView. Now copy the key and keep it handy. Next, open TradingView and log into your account. Go to the broker section and select Exness from the list of supported brokers. If you don't have a TradingView account yet, create one. It is free to get started. Now paste the API key from Exness into the TradingView connection field. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This will sync your trading account with TradingView so you can monitor trades directly. Now once connected, open a chart in TradingView and place a test trade to ensure everything is working. You will now see the real-time data from Exness displayed in TradingView. And that's it. You are now connected and ready to leverage TradingView's features with Exness. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.